Welcome back. Last year was different, wasn't it? Like many of you, the demands for my time got really challenged, and I had to take a slight break from making some videos. And believe me, I appreciate more than you will ever know all of the wonderful comments I've received and the time and effort you put into watching my content. And yes, I really do want to know what you want to see in my dialed-in videos. I did try out some new things last year, and I'm wondering how many of them you might have picked up on. There actually were some new playlists, Easter eggs that I kind of just scattered around from time to time, and new tools and projects that I tried out. Did you try anything out new last year? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. Each year, I also try to do something new with the content that I put onto the video and clean them up, give them a slightly new look, or just kind of freshen things up a little bit. For those of you who don't know, this is actually a hobby of mine that I really enjoy doing an awful lot, and I love being able to share with you all how to make some of these projects for yourself. You may have noticed some images of projects at the beginning that you've not seen in videos before, and that's because I do more projects than I have time to make videos of. So let me know what you'd like to see so I don't leave anything out that you might be interested in. If you've been watching my videos, I really do want to thank you very much because you've helped me be seen in so many countries around the world. I just love to ask too that if you'd like more content, continue to share my information with others, tell them about my site, and maybe even suggest a video or two for others that you think might enjoy it as well. And come on back in the future because there will be plenty more dialed in DIY to come.